I try to fit the widest possible tool in there. Now you notice you have two widths. There's a wide one right there, and then there's the same tool but a little bit narrower. I want the wide, if it'll fit, I want the wide one to fit. So it's either going to be him or it's going to be the dual. And there's another dual over here, narrow. So you got two narrow tools and two wide tools. So let's try the wide single because he is absolutely the most common tool to open these. He is locked. I just slide him all the way in and try to get him to go straight. And then you just feel around until you find something springy, like right there. Turn it. Feel a little click and it comes open. That's how easy it is. They all will open with the same actuator. If you try this single one and it doesn't work, then that's when you pull out the double one, because it means there are probably two actuators in there instead of just one. A lot of times the dual will work as well if there's not a gate in exactly the wrong place. Let's see if it'll work. Yeah, he works too. So it's a single actuator, but the dual